So now I want to talk about a few points that can help with some specific symptoms when we're experiencing common cold or flu. I think with the situation of the COVID-19, it's also worth trying it and see if they help as well, because this is something that you can do at home. So first of all, it's a colon or large intestine number 4, 合谷. And this point generally is really good for any cold or flu or feeling under the weather, because it brings up and supports your immunity. So it's easy to apply as well, acupressure wise. So it's on your hand, both sides. You can do it on both sides, each at a time, or you can choose one that feels more tender to do it more. And so you put your fingers together and your thumb together like this, and you can see that there's a mount forming in between your thumb and your first finger. So it's on the highest point, and when you open up your palm, you can press down. So you can do it like this. Again, these are specific points, so you can do it as much as you need it. I would say maybe 2 times or 3 times a day, or if you're feeling that it's helpful, you can do as much as you need it. And so this is large intestine number 4. And this point is also really useful when you're experiencing tight-chested, some pressure in your chest, or when you're feeling there's a short of breath. And so if you're experiencing some coughing, whether it's asthmatic coughing or due to a cold or flu, and there's another point which can really help to descend that qi from the top part of your lung into the lower part. And so this is called lung number 2, lung 2, 云门. And it's actually around these areas. So I'll show you. And you can see that we've got clavicle bone here. And also if you raise your arm, and you can see here's your deltoid muscle. And you can feel it if you roll your finger along just underneath your clavicle bone. Yeah, here. And then you will hit a point where it stops before the shoulder bone, yeah? So this is the depression, the highest point, underneath the intercepting point of the shoulder bone and also your clavicle. On both sides, again, you can massage it 2 to 3 times daily, or as much as you need it, for between 2 minutes to 5 minutes. So these points are really good for the lung. If you've got nasal congestions, then there are 2 other videos I've posted on YouTube already. They are stomach 2 and 3, so you can look at those videos. And then also if you're experiencing some fever, there is a point really good for relieving fever. So it's on the outside of your arm. If you fold your arms together like this, and you can see that there's a folding line, and that point is at the end of the folding line. So you can massage it like this, or if it is more comfortable, you can do it like this. And again, it's on both sides. And you can massage it as much as you need it, or 2 to 3 times a day, 2 to 5 minutes. I hope it's useful for you.